Hello friends, today we are opening up Sour Patch Kids in the grape flavor. So I bought this the other day. I've never had it before. I've never had grape Sour Patches or really any grape sour candy before, so I was kind of excited. So you see I'm looking at the nutrition information. Who cares? It's candy, it's bad for you, but it's good for your soul. So anyway, I'm at the store here because I already opened mine at home and I ate it the night before. And so here is my package. So you can see on the right hand side there, I took a rip out of it. And so I only have one of these left and I'm going to show it to you now. This is a new location. I've never actually filmed in this area of my house before, but the sunlight was there and so I was ready to go. So anyway, this is the Grape Sour Patch Kid. So obviously it's grape shaped. It is very thick. Also the strawberry one that I did the other day, it's also very thick, but I think this one is even thicker. So again, I was very much looking forward to having a sweet and sour candy. And I still am, because I took a bite out of it and it tasted pretty okay. It was decent. It wasn't the best grape candy I've had, but it was not sour whatsoever. I would rather eat Welch's grape fruit snacks than this because I'm not expecting those to be sour. This one wasn't particularly flavorful and definitely was missing the sour part, so I think they should change the package. So I don't know, there are all these different Sour Patch Kids available now. Should I try these ones? Because the two I tried lately, the strawberry and the grape, they are not sour at all. So let me know what you think.